Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Pace, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation on this device by using the MICROMAX settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon. Here you need to find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's scroll down, and here you need to choose Backup and Reset. Let me tap it. Here from the following options, let's choose Factory Data Reset, and this will erase all data from your phone internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So let me accomplish that operation. Tap Reset Phone and choose Erase Everything to begin the hard reset. The phone is erasing all personal stuff, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start simply activate your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.